Okay, Minal is here. Hey everyone, thank you so much. It was a great 2 days. Like we really enjoyed hosting more than 60 speakers, 4 tracks. It was an amazing conference, and thanks to the team here. Because of them, we pulled it off. I think more credit goes to all of you. I know, like I got sick in between, and then I believe me, there was one point I was thinking about not doing this conference, but glad like you all pulled it off. I mean, I know like when you get sick, you get like uh, strange uh, thoughts, and that's what that was what's happening. And I was like, okay, let's not do this. Probably we'll do it next year, but we finally did it. So thank you so much.
Yes.
Congratulations to everyone. We
Yeah.
did it.
Good work.
Good work, everyone.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, in case anyone wants to share your experience, how it was, go ahead.
I
I
think
could.
from the yeah, go ahead, please.
No, no, no. Go ahead. You spoke first.
So I think from the cloud track, there were many good speakers. Even I got involved in one of or two of them. They were like completely. I was completely captivated because the topics were really nice and they presented really well. So just thank you to Santosh for giving the opportunity. I mean, the platform was great to network as well.
Mostly on website stuff and which we were able to like you know the website set up the conference. It also took me getting to use Astro a little bit way more than I love Astro. Like from working on the TIL Conf website, I love Astro now. And I got to meet so many amazing people here on the team. And yeah, it was a great 2 day conference. Yeah, yeah.
It was a real challenge to accept everyone. I know that Santosh would have would add one or more track to be able to accept everyone, and we had to make choices. And we had some web topic and CI/CD. We had to make choices, but to make sure that we could fill every slot for everyone, even if the track wasn't the more appropriate one. But uh, even in this situation, we have so many people uh, being attending the event, so it was a great success. Not for us, but for speakers to get everyone this opportunity. We had experts, but we had also beginners, and that's their first experience as speakers, and we are so happy to be to here with us with them for this event.
I mean, on that point, of course, it was hard. We had like we were not expecting this many talks. To be frank, I mean, at one point we had 30 talks, and I thought like, okay, this will be an easy thing to do because we wanted as many as speakers we can. And I was like, and then suddenly it went like 100. I was like, oh my god. And uh, so everyone who applied, there is one thing like I don't like get sending rejection mails. Believe me, I mean, I have been at another side of things where I have received so many rejection mails. So that's why, in case you applied and you have not received any rejection mail but you couldn't speak, that's for a reason. You are going to speak at TIL meetups. So we are planning to do this meetup. We will still plan it. It's not yet finalized. I just wanted to share it that everyone who applied at this conference and who couldn't speak at today's conference or yesterday's track, you will of course receive an email from us to speak at the virtual meetups which we'll do. So yes, you are not rejected, and don't feel bad that you got rejected.
So it's a win-win for everyone.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so these 2 days were very amazing, and like I hosted two tracks, software engineering and AI/ML. Cause like I was always wanted to host an AI/ML track, and today it was my turn to host it. And like I got to meet sit with some of amazing people whom I have just seen on Twitter. And like as I was telling Santosh, I have one of the coffee chats pending with Mihai since I think 1 year, but I haven't met with him. And through this conference, I met him first time on live stream. So it was interesting, and I got to like meet some of amazing speakers as well, and like got to learn like some amazing concepts from them as well. And yeah, it was fun hosting with everyone else.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you for your time.
Okay, so I can join in also. I really enjoyed the event. So I really, in every talk I attended, I just really concentrated because everyone was amazing. Even the first time speakers who started like talking, it was really good also. I never believed that they are first time speaker actually. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. And yeah, so we can start the ruffle now if everybody's okay with this.
Yeah, let's
Should
do
we?
that. Yeah,
Okay, then I will share my screen. Um,
thank
well,
you.
window.
So
Yeah,
Eric was one of our speakers. Thank you, Eric. Thank you for your kind words. Yeah. Can you? Okay, let me add it. Oh no,
yeah, it should be
I had
added.
to switch. I don't know why I don't see it. Maybe
Yeah,
change the
no.
layout. Okay, it's loading.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, yeah. So yeah, as this picture is saying, so there is no one. So we're all winners, no losers here. So yeah, let's start. So for the first one, we have five for this ebooks by Thomas. Let's see.
This is not test data. These are real people.
These are people exactly. Yeah, I removed the test data already. Okay, so we have our first winner.
Interesting.
Now for the
So
second, yeah,
I'll just note it down so we can send them a mail.
yes. So we will add all the names here on screen, and then we can just take a screenshot and
Yeah.
oh, oh, be on for the second winner. So third winner.
By the way, Ahmed, how many registrations we got for Rafael finally?
I'm not sure the last numbers. I can check it now. This is working. We have 17.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Not a bad. At least we can
Yeah.
announce that. Yes, for sure.
Mhm. Okay, Esther, right? Third one. This is the fifth book.
And the final winner is.
Yeah. We still have other three books, three
We
ebooks.
can actually do five. I mean, do we want to? Because we have two physical copies of sorry, packed as well. So let's do this. Like we have 17 people, so we can give the first two the physical copy.
Hmm.
The
So
next
yeah,
two, yeah.
so I have here only three books. So ebooks from Pact, and then maybe we can do
Okay.
later on the other two ebooks. We can
Yeah,
do it and
yeah.
share
We
them
can. Nice. We
because
can
they
do
are not
offline.
added. Yep.
Yeah.
So the last two winners.
No.
Okay, and this is the last ebook, and then we have other two hard copy books, so we can do this raffle in the next. We can do it after this and then share it on social media.
Yeah,
Okay, Jonathan again. So now we have all of them.
nice. Congratulations, everyone.
I
Let's
just take a
celebrate.
screenshot. Oops, I can do this. Okay, so I will stop sharing now.
Nice. Great. So let's, I mean, of course, I really enjoyed this, but let's not make it an habit because it's like, of course, very tiring as well. And we did a great job. And I know, like, Ahmed and Jiram, you already have experience organizing conferences. This was my first time doing something this big. I've never organized anything apart from doing live streams, which is the easier part. I can just like go live, talk shit, no one cares because I'm talking to myself. So, but this is interesting. I mean, I have learned a lot of things while organizing this. So, yeah, thank you again for all of your time. And we have Lars. Like Lars is the person who started this, right? So, 2020, I think it was back in 2020. Lars?
Yeah, this is learning has been going for 3.5 years at this point. So I founded it and quickly joined with Santosh to join the communities. I'm more on the tech writing side and some open source projects, and Santosh is more on the video and outreach side of things. So I haven't been very active in this project, but you have been doing amazing work. I mean, I think everyone who's seen this is incredibly impressed with what you've done, what came out of this. And thank you to all the 110 people signing up, sending in your talk proposals. This is great. And it's very much in the spirit of this is learning why I started it. I wanted an open community where anyone from any skill level, any background could join, and we provide free platforms for you to share your content and grow as a professional by learning in public. So we have blogs, newsletters, open learning projects with free courses, free text-based courses. Anyone can contribute. Guides, development guides. We have this is Tech Talks, the weekly show that mostly Santosh has been doing for several years, and some volunteers as well. We have social media profiles and integrations. We are big on dev community. We allow cross posting on our publications. And the only requirement to join is to reach out to me or Santosh, and then we'll accept you as a This is Learning contributor. We've been growing year over year. I think we're between 100 and 200 contributors. Of course, not everyone is active at the same time. We all get busy from time to time, but I love seeing new people joining, and uh, old people or people who've been with us for a long time come and contribute again. I love that. And I love the community to just see it grow. And this is another amazing addition to the This is Learning brand. Of course, we also have This is Angular, who's been with us from the beginning. We also saw a lot of strong Angular content today and yesterday, and we'll keep having that, of course, since Angular is close to the heart of both me and Santosh. So whether you are a seasoned contributor to public tech or you want to get started, reach out to me and Santos if you're interested in any of this.
Hey Rahul, hey Dhanush, thanks for joining. So we are almost done. I think it's already late in India. I think Manish and Minal, yeah. I mean, thanks for hanging out. I mean, I know like how difficult it is to stay awake. I know you are still young, you can, I think, but for most of us, it's like impossible. We are old now. We have to go to bed at 11. I can talk about myself. I'm getting old. So thank you for staying this late and helping us with the talks and like especially like speaking to these speakers because speakers need that, right? I mean, once they join, they need someone to interact with them, and You did an amazing job. I mean, I was just on backstage looking at all the messages, trying to see who is joining, who is not. But yeah, you all just pulled off an amazing conference. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you, everybody. It
Yeah,
was
thank you,
great. Right, yeah.
See you.
Thank you very much.
thank you,
Thank you
and
very much,
we
Thank you
love
everyone.
so
to
much.
collaborate more in future. So meanwhile, yeah, see you next time.
See you guys. Bye bye.
See you, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.